Turning our attention to our Labor Day forecast, and we're talking about air quality on this Monday. We've seen some storms move through our area, but what about the air quality, Mariel?
So, a lot of cars out on the roadway. We're also dealing with just elevated pollution and heat. When you combine all of those things, our air quality is not great. We do have an air quality alert for ozone. It's an ozone action day. So if you're spending time outside, maybe consider taking it easy if you have respiratory issues, maybe for the kids, because we are expecting that, especially during the afternoon hours. And if you are spending time outside, you also want to keep an eye on the sky. We could see some thunderstorms taking shape yet again during the afternoon hours. The Metroplex right now is pretty dry, but we're looking at thunderstorms already taking shape right around Lake Granbury towards Glen Rose, south towards Meridian. A few of these thunderstorms had quite a bit of lightning. I'm seeing a lot of that kind of weekend fizzle out, but still something to watch here throughout the mornings. Most of us will stay dry this morning. 72 degrees right now. The dew point is in the mid 60s, meaning it's a little humid out. You'll notice it throughout the day, and that high humidity coupled with the sun brings a chance for afternoon thunderstorms. That's why we have about 20% coverage in the area for this afternoon with a high temperature near 93 degrees. So the high near 92 in Fort Worth, 91 for Denton, McKinney, Decatur, Greenville, and in Granbury. The coverage of rain will be at about 20% for areas north of Interstate 20. South of Interstate 20, we're looking at 30% coverage. That means most of us will stay dry. Very few of us will notice the rain out there today. This is how it'll look through noon, nothing. Peak heating around 3 in the afternoon. We'll notice some thunderstorms really taking shape south of Interstate 20. I think this model's overdoing it a little bit. I think we'll see less coverage than this, but I think it does a good idea. It gives us a good idea of where the storms will be located. And again, it'll be mostly across our southern counties. Not completely ruling out 1 or 2 storms, though, middle of the afternoon for areas closer towards Wise, Denton County. Main concern here is going to be the potential for some quick, heavy rain, as well as some very strong winds. We saw that yesterday. The threat is similar today. A tenth to a half an inch of rain, maybe in the next 10 days. It's not a lot. That's why I'm saying most of us will stay dry, and anyone that does see the rain, it's going to be pretty quick. It'll be short-lived. We still are looking at Hurricane Danielle. It is in the northern Atlantic, and Tropical Storm Earl took shape over the weekend. So that is something that we'll be watching. Neither are expected to impact our weather here locally. Temperatures are staying in the low 90s here the next several days. We do have the chance for afternoon thunderstorms every day through the weekend, but only about 20% coverage. Most of us stay dry. Next week, we're looking at temperatures in the low 90s with rain chances going away.